Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video in English, so I hope you can understand me. Anyways, today me and Brian, we're going out there to look at some freebies, and we are super excited. We're going to be checking out 3 places. Just so you know, this video has been recorded in different days, and also I want to tell you guys about that there is so many companies out there giving stuff for free. You have to enjoy it. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do these things. Just keep watching, okay? So last night I did my research, and iHop is giving away free pancakes when you sign up on their website. After you put all of your information in the spaces, they will be sending to you an email. Here we go, free pancakes for you. Now all you have to do is print the coupon and go get your free pancakes. How exciting! There is so many kinds to choose from. I got the plain because that's how I roll. And guys, that's a lot of pancakes. Holy moly! The next stop is Panera Bread. You just need to download their app. It is a free app. Once you're in, you will be able to get a free pastry of your choice. Oh my gosh, there's so many goodness. What's your favorite? That one? Cinnamon crumb slice. But the cinnamon, oh my gosh, that looks good. And the last stop for today is Krispy Kreme. Gotta love that place. Just download the app and you will be getting your free donut. And you get a bonus offer, which is awesome. So on this coupon, you buy any dozen and you get another dozen for free. Oh, so many goodness. Those are so beautiful. And guys, it is so difficult to choose. You can choose any of these donuts that you can see. And the coolest thing about Krispy Kreme is the donut machine. It is awesome. There was a mistake and the lady ended up putting 2 donuts on my bag. But the cashier said, well, it's okay, we cannot put it back, so good for us. So Brian and me had free donuts that day. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did because we love those donuts. That was so good. And I hope you get some too, okay? And please subscribe on this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you next time. Oops, just letting you know, there's going to have a second part and I'm super excited about it. So see you next time. Bye.